Dear student, today we start a chapter solid. So first question raised in our mind, what are solid? The substance which have definite volume and definite shape. The general characteristics of solid state, rigid and have definite shape and mass, definite volume. Intermolecular distances in solids are short and intermolecular forces are strong. Constituent particle, atoms, ion or molecules of solids have fixed position and can only oscillate about their mean positions. Almost incompressible. Density of solid is greater than that of liquids and gases, and solid diffuses very slowly as compared to liquids and gases. So students, classification of solids. How can we classify a solid? So solid has two types. First, crystalline solid. Substances whose constituent particle, atoms, ion or molecules are arranged in a definite geometric pattern in three-dimensional space. They have long range order. Example, copper, silver, sulfur, phosphorus, sodium chloride, zinc sulfide, etc. Students, second category is amorphous solid. Substances whose constituent particles are not arranged in any regular arrangement. They have short range order. Example, glass, rubber, plastic, coal, etc. In a Greek language, Greek word amorphous meaning no form. So differences between crystalline and amorphous solid. First one, characteristic geometry. Crystalline solid have definite regular geometry due to orderly arrangement of constituents. Amorphous do not have any geometric shape. Example, quartz is a form of silica, SiO2. Student, in NCERT book, figure 1.1 are totally based on this. The second differentiate, melting point. The crystalline solids have sharp melting point. Example, at fixed temperature solid convert into liquid state. Other hand, amorphous solid do not have. Example, glass is heated gradually. It softens and starts to flow without undergoing a definite and abrupt change into liquid state. It has been observed that on heating and then cooling slowly, example, annealing, some amorphous solids become crystalline at some temperature. Milkiness of glass is due to the fact that it undergoes heating during the day and cooling at night over a number of years. Student, third differentiated, isotropy and anisotropy. Substances means crystalline solid which have physical properties, example, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, mechanical strength, refractive index, etc. different in different directions are called anisotropic. Amorphous substances have physical properties same in all directions are called isotropic. So student, an anisotropy in crystalline you have seen in the figure 1.2, the irregular arrangement. So they have shown anisotropy in different physical property in a different direction. Student, the fourth differentiating, cleavage. Crystalline solids can be cleaved along definite plane when cut with a knife sharp. As tool, they splits into two pieces and the newly generated surfaces are plain and smooth. Whereas amorphous solids cut with a sharp-edged tool, they undergo irregular breakage and splits into two pieces with irregular surface. So student, in a table, generally these are the differentiate. You can easy to make their notes on this topic. Thank you very much.